So for our first game, it's going to be called Guess the Brand Logo Challenge. So all we need to do is just guess the brand logo that lalabas sa ating wall, and whoever guessed that correct will automatically receive a special prize from us. So that is now started. Our first Guess the Brand Logo Challenge, brand revealed. And this brand, and this brand. Can we have the microphone? Of course, we're out. The Bristol sponsors let's have it on. This good evening, sir. Let's stand and invite you to stand up. I stand up, guys, sir. Yes. Good evening, sir. What's your name? Sir Tim. Okay, good evening, Sir Tim. And what do you think of this brand logo? Nor, and feeling mas ginagamit din sa bahay ni Sir Nor na alam ni Sir. But anyway, Sir Tim, let's see if Nor is correct brand revealed. It's Maggie, everyone! And thank you so much, sir, for giving us it. Maraming salamat. Let us now move on to our next guest, the brand logo challenge, brand revealed. And all about this brand, just raise your hand on the microphone and that table, please. Let's give them the microphone and go in black rock. Can you know what's her name? Miss Marilyn, what do you think this brand logo? Colgate, ganyan ba yung brand na ginagamit mo mga of course, kaya alam mo ba? Let's see if Colgate is correct brand revealed.
Today we're just gonna do nothing. We're just gonna do nothing. Okay? Just gonna do nothing. Just gonna do nothing because we're at the party. You need to watch it. Before you watch, you need to like and subscribe. We want to make 20,000 million subscribers. Okay? I'm just screaming and you can only see my mouth because... Oh, there it goes. Now,
This brand logo.
I'm screaming
BPO, may account sila sa BPO.
I'm only screaming because we're at the party and you cannot hear my voice and you can only see my mouth. Okay? You understand it? I can only watch because we're just not doing nothing. Okay? And like and subscribe. Comment what should I do next.
Just please raise your hand. Any ma'am, what's her name? Miss Amy. Miss Amy, what do you think of this brand logo? Krispy Kreme, everyone's favorite, especially the glazed donut, of course. But let's see if Krispy Kreme is correct brand revealed. It's Krispy Kreme! And for our last guest, the brand logo challenge, brand revealed. And this brand, I think the gentlemen should have an idea for this one. Let's have the microphone for that lady. She's been raising her hand many times. Good evening, ma'am. I'm going to invite you to stand up now, please. What's her name? Miss Maricel. Miss Maricel, what do you think this brand logo? Adidas. Do you have shoes from Adidas as well? Okay, but let's see. But Maricel, if Adidas is correct, brand revealed. It's Adidas, everyone! Well, anyway, thank you so much for all the guest ambassadors who's on us. And there's a beautiful celebration, so a lot more surprises. So we're giving away to all of you guys. So as long as until the end of our program, so I have to to finally witness the special milestone in the life of our new couple. Now, right at this point, I think we are all ready to finally move forward to the next part of this program. Of course, for tonight, we are wanted to acknowledge each important person who played an important role on the ceremony earlier. So right at this point, let us now acknowledge our principal sponsors. So to all of our principal sponsors, as we call your name, just please stand up. Collectively, visita de Padre Emilio Ince, and principal sponsors who's on as this. And starting off with our first principal sponsors, a big round of applause to Mr. Zomar Luciano and Honorable Municipal Mayor Zoso Vista. Next on the list, to our principal sponsors, big round of applause as we finally acknowledge Mr. Manuelito Eugenio and